Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can manage your exercise section, how you can see that what exercises you have to follow for your fitness on the Myfitnesspal website. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do simply we need to go to the website and then we have to go to the exercise section. And after going to the exercise section, you have to provide the date here. As you can see, if you want to add your exercise, you can also do that. As you can see, these quick tools are also provided here. You have to click on the add exercise. And after clicking on this, you have to choose or select your exercise, that which exercise you want to add. Firstly, you have to add those all into your database, and after that, you will be able to get those searches. If you press the S, for example, I'm going to write the S, and you have to choose that which one. For example, I'm going to choose this one, like selling and body or and whistling. I'm going to choose this one. You have to choose that which you want to add. As you can see, how long. For example, I'm going to like the 10 here and 30 calories. You have to click on the add exercise, and the exercise will be added. So as you can see, now the exercise is added. So in this way, you can add the different types of exercises in your exercise section. You can also add your note as well. So I hope you guys understand this video that how you can add your exercise section on the website. So see you guys in the next video.